This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people. Uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going. The belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given. They're taken. And I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me, my mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback, and if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna
rise. Oh, we're gonna rise. Rise up.
So, take a deep breath, clear your mind,
I'm taking a deep
and
breath.
get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
You better take a deep fucking breath right now. Take a deep breath. Damn. Oh, wait, no signal. What do you mean no signal? Why does some shit always pop up? How are we in no signal times? Right now, hold on. I gotta get this shit signaling. Yoo-hoo! We need signal. Hello, signal. We got signals. W. Oh, what we don't have is participants in the Zoom. Admit all. You're all admitted to this craziness. Admitted and committed. Welcome. Hello, hello, hello. Ooh, more people at the Zoom door. Now audio left. Hi, audio. Hello. Audio back in the building. Damn, we got audio and video working. Oof, previous 4 hour was bullish. Be careful here on these sells right here. Mr. George. Alright, so the 4 hours bullish. Got a support here. Got a level here. The daily's bullish as well. Well, we've been here all night. This is the London candle. London drove us up here. Hasn't really done much all morning, all night. Okay, since we are pretty heavily bullish, right? This 4 hour still got another 2 hours. We can technically make a bottom wick and continue up. Previous 4 hour didn't have much of a bottom wick, so we could be making one here. Be very careful here of fake outs. Feck out, feck out. You can get a feck out. Get the feck out. 53 seat damn, this is 100 pips here. Comics open right now. Today's bullish day. Wow, this makes me think of Kervin. Chat, remember he said try this on a bullish day, not on a bearish day. Like, right? If with structure, with bullish structure, what is this? Ooh, 18 pip stop. 18 pip stop here. What you guys want to do? Oh, that's going to get lovely. I think we're going to attempt this here today. It's going to be the Kervin position. This is specifically what I asked him about. It's going to get interesting. Can you open that, please? Hold on, chat. Give me a sec. It's fucking hot in here. Hotter than a Russian steam room. Oh my God.
Morning, family. Let's get this money.
Straight cheese.
Yeah, but it's government.
Yes, sir. Good morning. Good morning, Kenny. Good morning, Wicks. Good morning, everyone.
Yeah, I don't know about that big block of cheese. How you feel, Jay?
I'm feeling exhausted.
Oh,
Yeah, man. I came back very late last night. It was
Thank you.
about 2 a.m. 2 a.m. when I entered the house. And I was still trading with you guys during the Asian. I was just exhausted.
gotcha.
Yeah, man. I was in the bus live on Zoom, and then through the Uber, and I traded the position as well that we took last night. And man, I was I'm just exhausted.
They won't be stopped.
No, I mean, that's just how I am, man. I just can't give up on the team, whether I'm traveling or anything else. I do my best.
I do the same. I do the same.
Yeah.
I at least tap in. Nothing else.
Exactly. Yeah, you did it a few times when you were traveling, for sure. So, what you can, and try to get some pips as well, and there you go. But everybody's healthy, everybody's happy, and let's get it on Mondays, baby. Let's get it. Money Mondays.
Money making Monday.
Hell yeah.
I'm so happy you guys are on here. My voice alone gets annoying. It gets monotone. I told you, I like all these monologues. It's like hopping on which stream is a 2.5, 3 hour monologue.
I feel you. I had a radio.
I'd rather have some back and forth. I'd rather have like people on here talking. I don't know. Some people don't like it. Don't like teaching when they don't like being interrupted. They just like to speak and teach. I can't. Like I can, but after a while, like it's I don't know. It's tough.
Especially get downtime. You know, you got time to kill too.
Get downtime, but I'm a very social person, right? Like I'm a cool ass introvert. We can hang out and chill, but then you gotta go. But when we hang out and chill, I'd like for it to be a conversation. I like to kick it. I don't like to just sit there and teach and no conversation happening.
Yeah, you were talking about last night because it was pretty.
I think
pretty
people
hard
learn
to
more
learn.
also when there's a conversation instead of just a monologue.
Depends on
Like that's why in class,
depends on
like
what
if
you
you
talk
had two
about, but yeah.
teachers going back and forth discussing ideas, it would be more beneficial for the students than if you had, just one teacher teaching a monologue.
For sure. Everybody feeds off everybody else, and you learn from that. Excuse me. Same thing that you did with Don back in the day, obviously. When you guys fed off each other, and you're like, "Oh yeah, I didn't see that," or "See this."
Chat,
Or, yeah, I
who
see
wants to
that
pull
one."
a curve and notch it today?
What is that?
the curve and trade.
Mm.
Remember bullish day? We're
Yes.
pulling up to this
Makes
level. Oh, I think it tapped it. I think it tapped.
Close.
Chat, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take a buy right here. I just took a buy. Market buy. Oh wait, market buy 3. Let's keep this low. Small stop here, 33,616. I'm going much smaller risk on the live account. 61.6. This is the curve and trade we spoke about last week when he was on here. We should have had it here at this wick.
Yeah, we would have caught 10 there. But...
I'll tell you this much. I don't think I want to see it break a low here. I'm going to put the low to the bottom of this candle. Because I think... Damn, it's re-breaking the low. It's going to be a really small stop here. If it re-breaks the low, so I'm not going to play with it. I wanted it to push there. Let's see. Can we get a small push? Can we get a push? You know, I'm going to move stops to be here on the live account. See if it doesn't re-break lows. So the live account's got stops to be E. And I'm going to do that here. Let's see if we can run. Come on, Carvin. Give us your magic. Pull up. Pull up. Damn, we should have tapped it right here, right? This is where I said we should look for that buy. We'd be Gucci right now. Damn, I just late to setting it. Curvin's fucking brilliant. I'm gonna close partials right there on the live account. Market sell 2 right there. Boom, we just closed partials.
Run, Forrest, run.
Yeah, Curran fucking killed it with this idea. I can't say you don't learn from other people, man. The guy we had him on last week, this is exactly what we spoke about. But man, we should have had entry down here. This should have been entry. And then we're looking at a 18 pip stop. Yeah, we would have been Gucci here. Because it's a really, really bullish day. We might get stopped out here. My live is still going. We got stopped out here on the... We had a better entry on the... Oh, there we go. The signals got stopped out too.
Well, that's 13 pips in total overall, man. So
W. That should have been another 19 there.
yeah,
Like
We'll take it.
If we got that entry,
We'll take it.
that's
Hell
36
yeah.
pips. I'm gonna send Carvin a message later today.
Nice.
This is what we spoke about. Remember the bullish day approach? I asked him
Yes.
about this, how to see the time. He's like, I wouldn't attempt it on the bearish day. But on a bullish day, you'll see that bounce off. We might do the same thing as we come down here.
Easy 13 pips to start the morning. Very quick, not waiting 5 hours for something to set up. It's just perfect.
Somebody asked me, so you're going to
Yeah,
apply
like-
this? I'm like, I don't really...
I mean, yeah.
This is like, we've been looking at this for like a year. Since last summer. And I finally had Kerwin on to explain what the fuck he does. And it made it so much clearer. So yeah, I'm going to utilize the knowledge I pick up everywhere.
Option says this is how he trades, by the way.
This would have been a, all right, 19, 20 pips stop ballpark, and it would have gave you 36. He's like quick, really quick bounce. But if it goes, right, if it does respect this level and then starts going, like you have 200 pips of range.
Insane.
Right, if the runner started going, I'm not closing it up here. I'm just going to let it rock all the way up. Because you have the optimal entry. You should never come back there. You come back there, yeah, you're heading out. But if you bounce off of here and you go up, you're never coming back here. Look, like you are never coming over here. Yeah, it came back. The wick took you out. But in general, once you start leaving this area, you don't come back there. So TP might have been like up here. 33.80 flat.
By the way, I think we have people at the Zoom door, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, we do. Thank you.
Sure. You want to update the session trades and the stream record?
Oh, I got to add the break even from last night. I forgot to add that in there.
Yes, correct.
Damn, last night that was a good trade. We waited another 5-minute candle. We would have smacked it.
Oh, it's literally on the next candle. On the next
Yeah,
one,
next
right?
candle drop.
Took us out, and then boom, it just dropped. It's like,
I just
what?
moved stops too soon.
Okay, man. Can't regret it because you took the right decision. You saw how it was going to set up, and then so you know that the next time you're
Yeah,
going to take
just-
that position.
Just managed risks too soon.
Yeah, it would still be running, Nate. You're right. I mean, it's just dumped, dumped, and dumped all night, bro.
Yeah.
Actually, it went back up and then came back down. Because when it was coming down, it was coming down, covering that gap from the weekend. It actually shot all the way back up, and then now it's back down.
Yeah, it covered the gap, retested the highs, and then refilled the gap because that's clean range.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Well, wait. From when we took the position, it came back up 100 pips. Yeah.
No, it came all the way back up.
No, I'm saying from when we took our position.
Coming down?
Closed. Yeah. We took sales last night in the
Right.
in the signals channel. Then it went back up about 100 pips from where we closed, or from when we hit the BE, I think, something like that. 100 and.
I got more like Yeah, 180, almost 200.
I think we closed at 33.78, and it went up to 33.86.
Where's my phone?
So before it went back down to 67, it went all the way back up to 86. Yeah, I mean, from where we took our position, it dropped another 50 pips or something. That would have been a great Asian session done, and then it just chopped for a while, and then I think London pushed it all the way back up to fill the entire gap. Then it played around for a little bit, and then since we got close to New York session here, it's dumped and it's dropped 260 pips, bro. Jeez. So let's see. I mean, we got 20 minutes left for the 4-hour close on spot and the 1 hour on futures. So let's take a look and see what can happen. Yeah, but I'm looking at a bullish day. It doesn't mean we can't take sells. So if it pushes back up and then rejects,
this is what we should have looked like off that candle.
Mm-hmm. I have a resistance here at 33.68 on futures, and if it pushes back up to there, I think we could probably look at taking sells. What do you think? Because you don't have that line set up, but I have it at 68, 33.68. Like, do you see something there?
$130 pips in this hourly candle so far.
Are you in sells, Kenny?
No, I just got on the hourly chart and just realized that this is all one long candle, damn near. Most of this whole down movement.
Okay. Nate, you're seeing 33.56 on spot or on futures?
No, I was just looking on TradingView, just realized how long that the hourly candle is. Like, oh, geez.
Mm. Yeah, it's almost at 56. Didn't we have that 56 line in last week or something? Wasn't there resistance at 56 last week?
6, I got some at 60, which
Yeah,
makes
same here,
sense.
I have it.
Even number, right? Let me see, 56.
I do have something here, but I don't. Where is it? Off the 30? No. Off the hour, I guess. Yeah, you've got a lot of resistance off the hour there. I can see it. Or the 4th. Oh yeah, there you go. Nate just confirmed. You're a 4-hour, yeah.
Yeah, it was a big resistance at 56 on Sunday. The hourly candles kept bouncing up.
Nadeem, you lost 50 pips because
Sent Carbon a
Rick's
message.
order
It's like we took your
place
position.
can't read. What do you mean, Nadeem? I don't understand. He said he was taking a buy, so I'm not sure how you lost 50 pips, bro. And when you closed, I mean, he says it live.
What? What happened?
Now, Nadeem wrote here he lost 50 pips on the position because Wick's order can't place. Order placed can't read. I don't understand what he's writing.
What do you mean? I said when I'm taking it. Rewind it. I said when I'm taking it, and it took a little while. I think we saw a little bit of dread on. Like.
Not only that, you said you're taking a buy. Yeah. And when you're moving a stop loss. And
yes, I clearly said I'm taking a buy.
Yeah. That's why I was confused. I think maybe, I don't know if you had the green and the red parts on the
No, when
on
I take a
the
position, it
chart?
shows you what position I'm in. Like when I took it on here too. I closed partials on here too. Like this was a negative. This was a red. That's great.
Oh, Spaceman. Sam is saying you haven't used the long short tool in a while as a visual, and probably that's what he's referring to. So he
Because I threw it on here. Just take a picture and show Kervin what we took.
Okay. I mean, it's
because it's
obviously
cool when
important
you
to listen.
apply a concept and it works.
Yeah, no shit.
That was the first time that worked out for us, that trade. We've attempted it 3 times. And both times against the daily bias the first 2 times, and this one was with the daily bias, and we saw a bounce. All right, first closure we have below the range. 30 still open. We need a pullback here. We need to close that resistance, or we need to close back up above 33.63. Wixie Kervin took the same position. You're in this group? How do you know? Why are you here if you're in this group? You're paying for that. Well, no, it's cool that you're here. I like it that you're here. He's live with this. Really? He doesn't go live. Or no, he said last week he goes live a couple of days a week. What he said was he doesn't drop the sauce. He's like, I'm not gonna drop the sauce here. It's like gatekeeping. I didn't want to say that, but gatekeeping, bro.
Keeping it like Snoop. Stories have to be sold, not told.
Am I looking to short soon? Yeah, it really depends how we close here. I need a pullback, and I'd probably want a bullish 15 right now. Right? And then maybe a 30 closure here at 33.63. So maybe for 930 with volume, we can make our way down. Previous 4 hour was bullish, right? But we broke that heavily. So once we get closures, yeah, we are looking for sells, but I would need a pullback. My bad. Actually has 90 viewers now. Nice. Well, thanks, UK. You came on here and said, there, Kervin's live. Go over there. Shout out to Kervin for that position. Wait, hold on. So he took it too? Ooh. I'm going to hit him up. I'm going to call him.
We got a CI in the chat.
He definitely got a better entry than like we were. He probably had the optimal entry, right? Did you hear what we were looking at? All good though. All good though. We made 15 pips.
Don't go back and tell us now.
Yeah, I'm sure he'll answer me. I want to see what he says. What's my joint? I did have a joint here somewhere. In a tricky morning. I fell asleep with the 7-year-old on the left of me and the 5-year-old on the right of me. When I woke up, the 5-year-old was on the left of me and the 7-year-old was on the right of me. I have no idea how they climbed over me to opposite sides in the middle of the night.
Or maybe you just flipped over.
Upside down. They'd still be on the same side.
No, they wasn't out of you.
If I put myself to where my feet go, Oh, well, that didn't happen. I woke up with a
You was on
pillow.
your, you was on your back and you flipped to your stomach.
Nah. Nah. I don't flip. I fall asleep and wake up in the same position, really, because of pain. Like, it lets me know about itself in the middle of the night, and it's like, I turn, and it's like, nope, no, you don't. And I'm like, yep, you're right, I don't. And I go right back to where the same spot I was laying down. But I don't know how I woke up in the morning, and they're on different sides of the bed. Because they both would have had to move. You're so quiet this morning. My mother's in the building. That's why Benny's not here. I was wondering, why is Benny so quiet? I walked out there, my mother's here. He loves her. She always feeds him under the table, so he knows where his loyalties lie.
Shout out to Mama Wicks.
Yeah. She's in the other room. She came in here with some food for him, and that's it. He's a sellout. He's about to eat some rice and chicken. That's how I keep him so lean. Eight minutes here for this 1 hour closure. Really want to pull back here to look for some kind of onion up here. 3363 areas. Yeah, we're going to wait for the hourly to close. Look at this level here. Last time it came down from this area, look where the rejection was. But I understand that it's possible, but also going by the most recent price action and ranges created here. Give me a second, I gotta sneeze. I mean, it's never like one single sneeze. It's like 10 sneezes in a row. Like, WTF? Yeah. I'm gonna start sweating after a sneezing session.
Yeah, that's funny. I always sneeze back to back. It's always two. But if I get more than that, here comes the sweating.
So I just sneezed like 6 times in a row. It's like, achoo, achoo. I'm sweating. I got a little cold sweat.
Yeah, any more than 2, I know the sweating coming. But I can get 2, but after that.
Damn, dog, we getting old. That's the age thing.
It
That's the age thing they kept talking about. They keep saying it that I'm starting to believe it. You know, one person said you're getting old. All right, fuck them. They don't like you. 2 people say it. All right, maybe they ain't on it together. But when like everyone you know says it, you're probably getting old, bro.
I feel like the older people keep trying to pull me in.
Yeah,
and I'm like, nah.
They're like, aha, see, you're coming here. You're joining us soon. You're like, fuck no.
Like, no, I'm still doing Tough Mudders. I ain't trying to hear that.
Crazy, I'm about to go pull up by a high school and register. See what happens. About to register for the fall. No, I'm about to register for spring semester.
I wouldn't mind going back to college.
Yeah, I don't remember much of college. But I tell you what, I did not like high school. There were a few things in high school that really changed me, that like stuck with me for the rest of my life.
Yeah, it's pulling back up right now. So if it hits 63, I'd be looking for sells. What do you think?
I think we need a closure
futures,
first.
sorry. Yeah.
Let's close below, but once we get to 63, I'll look for a bearish closure at 63. Like if we can get there and then actually close bearish, right? 63 is the resistance we just broke, right? I mean the support we broke.
Yes.
Come down.
Yeah.
So
Right. It could
sorry,
refill
I
it
can't see.
nicely.
I'm in the yard. So
yeah.
if we pull back up there, I don't want to re-break
Yeah,
of the
well-
hourly low that we make right now, right? I want to use the current hourly low as a target for our partials, right? And then the break of the hourly low would be the runner. So I'd want to pull up and get a bearish closure right at 63. Mind you, I have no idea what's going on right now. I haven't seen the chart, so I gotta go back in there.
We're 20 pips away, bro, from that, just to let you know. Forex, I mean, should be similar. I think maybe
What, spot?
I'm looking at yeah, it would be on spot, okay, 33, 55, 56, something like that. I think that's where it would be.
Yeah, I would be just
I mean,
very
that's why I see
careful
the
because
resistance.
like the 4 hour can still flip. It can still head up here. It's another hour, over an hour and 4. So as we're pulling up, so we're gonna get a 9 a.m. closure right now, 9:30 NYSE open. And if we're going to structure our position around that volume, around NYSE volume, then let's see how that could print, right? Can we get this closing like it is right now? The next 15 do this. That's 9:15. This is 9:30, and this is our sells. Top wick. Boom. If this is what we look like, and this is 9:30, we have sells here. This is our target for partials. Like I said, the current hourly low, and then the runner target here. Never gave the activation. I'll look into it. I'll look into it after the stream, Steve. Old wicks would take sell. After top wick, maybe. Old wicks would be risking a lot of drawdown here. Current wicks understands the amount of sell stops that were here. I just know I'd rather wait for this closure in 1 minute. I don't think Old Wicks would have took this with a minute to go. I think Old Wicks would have understood what's happening here 1 minute to go in the hourly. In the grand scheme of things, this is not really a bottom wick. Yo, I can't stop sneezing. This is crazy. I'm about to go on another one of these streaks. No, that one made me lightheaded. Whoo! Oh, man. Wow, we closed with no wick. You know what that means, chat. Highly likely would come up. There's no range. So we may come down, but then we'll make them, you know, bottom wick and we'll re-break highs here. It's an hourly too. There's some weighting involved here. All right. Let's bring back the Japanese lessons. Soon, Trump meets NATO chief in Oval Office.
Jesus, look at it though.
You just look at it. Just look at it.
Man, I'm annoyed, man. It was close to 63. It was like 20 pips away, man. That would have been an interesting position to take if I would have taken it.
Yeah, but I think if you were looking for positions right at resistance, you kind of got to lock in on where it came down from, not where the level you broke is, right? It came down from here, those wicks.
Yeah, but
So
I mean, I could have looked at it.
Looking, whenever you break like this from momentum, your price doesn't typically get back to the previous range's level. It gets back to the previous range's bottom price, like where it bottomed out. So you see those wicks right there.
Mm-hmm.
Tap those like wick to wick. Tap those wicks. Throw it up. Like right here, it came back to that level, but you'll typically see the wick overlay. Another wick.
So now it's creating a new support. So you would say if it goes back up to 63, then the position would make sense if it closes bearish at that point to take more sell.
If we pull up from here,
yeah,
right, we'd probably see something like this. Looking for that. Or we drive back up in range and then, you know, we're looking for buys for the next 4-hour top wick.
I mean, it just hit 55. If it closes below that, then sells would definitely be ideal. If it pushes back up all the way there, it might go through 63.
Also,
but
yeah, but you don't have a bottom wick on this previous hourly, and you don't have a top wick on here.
Mm-hmm. Well,
so it's highly likely that
10 pips is not enough.
This one tells you there's no range. This one tells you we didn't grab orders, but they're both telling you price should pull up. So it probably will. Even if we start breaking lows down here, I would need to see then a bullish candle close respecting resistance, not closing back up in range, to show that we're coming down. I wouldn't take it if we just break down into here and leave a top wick and then, you know, leave a bottom wick and then get a top wick and start flipping. No, I'd wait for a bullish closure, but to maintain below 53. Right, then we'll look for a seller replay. So there won't be. It might look like a top wick entry on a higher time frame, but if you get this, right, you don't really have a bottom wick here, you don't have a top wick here, you're going to wait for price to attempt to come back up because that's what you're expecting. And once it attempts that and fails, it will probably do this, leave a wick. Right, and then if it can do that, then you're looking for sells on a break of the lows. Because price just attempted to close above there, did not.
So what are you looking for particularly there?
This is what I would look for if we start closing below 53. I told you what I'm looking for. I'm looking for this.
No, but I'm saying now that it changed that, so I wanted to confirm. So, okay.
I'm still looking for this.
Yeah. Okay.
Jay said, buy or sell. What am I doing?
Personally, I
It's
would
a
rather
bullish day. It's a
sell, and if
bullish
we
day.
start coming back up, I would believe we're faking out if we close above here. I wouldn't.
I want to
wouldn't
sell
take
as
a buy
well.
immediately. I would wait for a closure back below to sell.
Jay said, I need answers.
No, I just want to confirm because I'm trying to see if I can implement a few more different trading strategies to hold my positions longer. Because you remember I wasn't holding my positions long, and now I'm holding them longer, and I'm hitting a lot of TPs.
Yeah, you're hitting a lot of runners.
Yeah, I am, and that's really exponentially growing my money. So I'm trying to find
We might get what
the
we're
strategy that
asking
works
for
best
here.
for me. Listening to Kerwin really helped a lot as well to understand something different. So I'm looking for all that. Making 2025 a massive year would be awesome.
Listen
Gotta
to
pay for the
Wigston
move.
buys off the new hourly bottom wick, quick 20 pips. You assholes. I'm telling
Nice
you what I
job.
want to see for position to set up. And you guys are acting on it.
That's a J move.
What I'm saying isn't gospel. I mean, I'm just saying like what's likelier to happen, right? What we're likely to see next. What's the next possible position to set up? But you guys are reading between the lines. You're doing better than
They're like, yep, click, yep, click.
I mean, that makes sense, right? It did make sense, right?
They capitalizing.
You're like, wait, did he say buy? All right, I'm gonna take it.
I didn't say buy. I said I'm gonna look for sells after it pulls up. People are like, it pulls up. That's a buy.
That's a buy.
I heard you say up. No, don't. That's like the safe word. What's my safe word?
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Say up. I'm buying, bro.
Nah, real shit. When you talk Wicks, niggas is listening. Trust me. You say one thing and it's gonna touch this area before you decide. We in there while it's touching that area.
That's why I'm always so scared.
Then we in
Like,
yours.
Like I realize you guys hang on a lot of the words that I say, like on every word. If I say buy look good, people buy. I'm like, well, the sells look good too. And they're like, motherfucker, you just said buys look good. No, I didn't say I'm entering. Let's see what happens. You guys are funny. Wonder if Carvin replied to me. Nah, he didn't. That's one accent I can't do. I don't know Carvin's accent.
I think Eddie might be able to do it. I mean,
Yeah, it's a Cuban
strong,
thing. It's
strong one. Yeah.
It's really, you can't just be Spanish or Hispanic, right? It's a Cuban thing. Like the Mexicans can't do Cubans.
They all have different accents that come from Spain, so obviously they're gonna have their own thing. But my girlfriend can tell you what country they are from just by hearing one sentence. Like she'll know right away, as what we would do when we hear somebody speaking English.
She'll know a
If it's
difference between a
Australia,
Dominican and a
South
Puerto
Africa.
Rican.
If I know the difference,
Will she know the difference between a Dominican and a Puerto Rican?
she'll know the difference between any Spanish-speaking country, any of them. She's visited a few of them. She'll know right away. Bro, we were in Spain, right? We were in Sevilla for a week, and so last week, she's like, "Oh yeah, that's Venezuela. Oh yeah, that's Cuba. Oh yeah, that's Mexico." And I'm like, "What the fuck?" Yeah, so where's Venezuela? I'm like, "Hey," and I'm pointing at her. She's Venezuela too.
We play this game.
Now
in
she'll know
America.
right away. Sorry.
We play that game in America, except the police plays it.
Yeah, you'll be like, all right,
We got
England,
ICE.
London,
Nah, they'd be
or
like
Liverpool.
alien, illegal, black, get him. Nah, he's definitely black.
Oh, man.
Get
Play
the
that
whole fucking
boy.
department.
Way too many times.
Get the department.
Played that way too many.
Ice, baby.
He's wearing a suit. Never mind. He's on his way to court. Never mind. Leave him alone. He's going to see a judge. You guys are fucked up.
hand swinging, talking about alligator Alcatraz.
Yeah, Pama you got to be patient. Patience is key, man. So it's important to obviously understand what Wick says and then maybe read between the lines if you want to do something, but he might not be interested. Let's say he's looking for buys, but after a rejection and then it's pushing back up, he won't be taking buys because he doesn't know where it will reject, but he has an idea as to where he would like it to see it go to in order to take a position for a sell, as an example. So you could take buys in the middle, in between, but you never know, it might reject before, and then he might not even take his position. So that's why it's important to be patient, because yeah, we've all done it. We all blew our accounts many times by thinking it'll do that, and then sometimes it just doesn't happen. So it's important to be patient to take really the best position. You can raise your lot at that point in time when you're really 100% sure or 90% sure. And then if not, take a smaller lot and then, have a really small stop loss and then take it from there. Yeah, everybody has to learn the lesson that way for sure, man. I mean, we've all lost our money that way, but that's why we're here. We're feeding off each other. We've got mentors, that's why we're in the Signals channel, we're in the Discord. We help each other out, feed off each other, and learn a lot more. And it's very important to get your trading to the next level, because you don't want to always have to be wondering what he's going to do. You want to say, okay, listen, I'm looking at this position. Is Wix taking the same one? Yes. Okay, I've got more confirmation. You know what I mean? And then over time, then you can just trade yourself. So, if you're here long enough, he teaches you how to fish instead of you just giving you fish, right? So you want to be able to do this when you don't have the mentor there, when he's out sick or, injured or something, or whatever happens. And then you want to be able to trade the way that works for you and then make your pips and your God. You're not looking for 2,000 pips a day. That's the thing. So
you guys got to focus. You got to focus on the right shit.
Wait, you getting old, man. You already predicting you being sick and all kind of stuff.
You guys are missing. You're not reading. Jay's telling you something legitimate, and you're focusing on the wrong shit.
You just heard. Oh, he's making him sick. Hell.
You guys are focusing.
I didn't say the B
You know
word.
what? I got a good story for you guys. I had a riddle. Is it even a riddle? It's maybe just a question. So you got a plane, right? And it's got two pilots. And one of the pilots says, "Hey man, take the wheel. I gotta go take a shit, right? And I want you to answer me if by the time I come back, the plane got any lighter." Right? So the guy goes to take a shit, and the second pilot, he's sitting there, he's like, well, it's a closed system, right? It's an enclosed system, encapsulated system. So the shit's gonna stay in the plane, right? It's not gonna get let out of the plane. So basically that shit's going nowhere. So it's good. The plane's gonna stay the same weight, right? There's gonna be no weight release. It's gonna stay the same weight. So the pilot comes back, right? The main pilot, he's like, "Did you figure it out?" And he goes like, "Yeah, we're not gonna lose any weight because it's an encapsulated system. It's an enclosed system. So no matter if you take a shit or not, you get lighter, but it's gonna stay in the plane. So the overall weight is the same." And the pilot looks at him and goes, "While we're flying, we are burning fuel, so we are getting lighter, and your dumbass is focused on shit. All right? So while this plane is getting lighter here, your dumbass is focused on shit. Focus on actual, flying the plane or trading."
People don't do that. Most people, what I think they do is they get on, and then they wait for that line, that green and red thing, and then they'll be like, all right, let me take the position. Without understanding what's going on, without seeing what's happening, without whatever the hell it is. I think that's what happens. Then they wonder, okay, they lost because they over leveraged or used a lot way too high without understanding the principle or the idea what's happening. They're not listening. They're probably out, they're probably working or doing something else at the same time, or tired and not focused. And that's what screws everything up. Plus, if they
Yeah,
have a prop
people
firm,
be having like
they're
Fortnite
using-
championships right now.
Bro, most of them will just buy, you know, something from the prop firm for $100, $200. That's nothing, it's whatever, and then they blow it, and then over time it just grows. I know because I've done it. I was one of those 3 years ago, right? We've all been through that garbage, through that shit, and we learn when we lose a shit ton of money. And you're like, all right, I gotta stop being
check
stupid.
this out.
I gotta find a different way.
You might not get a top wick here. Damn. I really want a bearish closure. Let's see. Maybe there is a top wick because you get no top wick here. You get a top wick on the next candle. You're coming down. Did it hold this level? No, it closed above. Let's get rid of all this. Yeah, I hope it comes down first and then comes up. I want this to be 9:30 NYC open. It's tapping that blue line, which is the level, right? The wicks, the previous wicks. But it's already tapped this area before. Man, it could come down here. This is gonna suck if it comes down right now. I'd rather it come down on the next candle. Maybe we get what we had yesterday, right? We had a money printer to come down yesterday for Asian session, but then the next 5 did it. So maybe this one will print bearish and then we'll take it on the next 5. But we're 15 minutes away from NYC open. I don't want to break the low just to come back up and close above for NYC and then it's headed up.
We have a 15 no bottom wick here though. So if it keeps pushing up, that could be interesting though.
Well, you're gonna need this candle to flip. You're gonna need this 15 to flip. It's gonna it's gonna get tough here.
Yes, I might do something on my own here.
Break at the lows, bearish flip. I mean, this 15 that looks great, but man, this 30, I don't know.
I'm gonna focus.
And look how much play has already been in this area, right? If you're driving with momentum and you get that pullback, but you've driven here and you've ranged here, and now you're getting this. Benny, chill the fuck out. Yeah, how big is that stop for you? 22. Here. Benny, come here. Where's my J? Where's my J? Well, he's on stream, but I got a J outside too.
I was gonna say you beat me to it, but yeah.
I'm right here. I'm on stream.
But I'm still interested in sales, by the way, because the 15 still hasn't given me the flip.
I'm a little sketched out by timing because, like, if we get you get this closure above for 9:30. And at NYC open, like you might not need that bottom wick. You might just start coming up.
Push back up, yeah.
But let me not throw you off because I might talk you out of your position here, right? Because this can flip. This makes full sense on the 15, and maybe the 15 flips but doesn't drive, and the next 15 drives.
Oh,
for NYC open, right? But
it just flipped.
I'd rather wait for this 15 to close, personally. Is it flipping?
It just flipped anyways. It pushed.
Yeah, there it is.
25 pips or so, and it just flipped, or 28 pips.
Yeah, I'd be careful here. It made this bottom wick now. It's got range on top.
I'm not looking at the same thing. No. I wanted it to push up another 10 pips or so. Then I would have looked at taking the position, and then I would have caught 20 pips, 25 pips.
But
But
this
it just
isn't
flipped
bad
before
like
getting there.
this. If we look at it, like if we get a weak candle closure here now, this works perfectly for our NYC Open. But you need this candle to kind of hold off on this, and it looks like it won't. Looks like it wants to come down.
Looking at something different than that. Yeah.
You're looking for sells. You took a bearish flip here, no? Or you were
No,
looking for
but
the bearish flip.
it didn't reach the level I wanted it to.
Yeah, it didn't
See, we were
reach.
talking about 63 from the beginning, and it never reached it, and it was very close to it.
63
it
on
flipped
the
just
dot
before.
actually tapped.
Close enough.
63.
Yeah,
point
but I
4
needed
was
it a
good.
little bit higher just in case.
Yeah, I think he had his like this.
Yeah, pretty similar. Pretty similar, exactly.
Oh,
And I would have caught nice, almost 28, 20, 30 pips. I was looking at that from the beginning because the 15 never flipped. It started with a top wick right away, and it never had the bottom wick. And then so I assumed that it would, as long as it didn't give me a bearish flip, it would push up, and then I would hit, and I would take the sales from there. And I would minimize my risk because my stop loss would be maybe 50 pips or something, just in case it pushed back up a little bit more. Or I would take a pineapple over there. But it flipped before, so I was like, fuck you.
Do a flip.
But yeah, you just wait for the next setup. No, but at least the idea that I had made sense, and I was talking about it, and I was like, fuck, look at it, it's still going. Shady, why? All right, it's all good, man. No FOMO, no FOMO.
Well, we got 9 minutes here. We get a bearish closure, like a decent bearish closure.
No worries, Jay. I was feeling you.
Yeah, did you take it, or you just?
You know, we ain't got to talk about that part. Yeah, I did, but you know.
You're still. I mean, I'm assuming because you take a lot of longs, right? You like hold sometimes for 100 pips or so, and I was like, damn. But when you're up like 60 pips, and then you're like, yo, take 25 out of it, I was like, damn, that's a lot of pips, missed out on. So that's why I gotta keep closing position and taking partials and partials and partials just to secure the money. I just rather do that.
And you guys have more lots in than I do usually.
Yeah. I mean, I'll use something similar to Wix on my prop firm. I'll use 4 to 5 contracts on GC, and then on my personal, it depends on the amount, but I'll sometimes do 2, 3, 1. Depends on the day. Depends on what I'm looking for. Eddie usually does 900. Yes, sir, Eddie. 1 pip, you made your money. I mean, when you're using so many lots, you got to use different positions, obviously, and secure a little bit further, a little bit earlier than what you would. Eddie, TP smacked every time. Yeah, that's good, man. 900 pips, bro. 900 lots.
Be a 1 pip trader all day.
That's it. 900 on 1 pip, done.
Full TP. Yeah, but then like you open up a position, try explaining that to your loved ones. You open up a position and you're instantly in like minus 20, 30 grand. Expecting a little pullback of a few $1 million.
Yeah. Yeah, he's a hedge fund.
Calling up your bank. Shit. I need a small loan of $100 million. Click. Beep, beep, beep. Hello? Hello? Futures, no spread. I got a business plan.
give me 100 million, I'll just gamble it away and hopefully make money back. That's my business plan. Trust me. Yeah, Eddie, trust me.
Yeah, he's got it. Eddie's ready. He puts the Eddie in ready.
It pushed back up now. Back to where it rejected. Let's see what happens. It stays in this range.
I mean, it gave you quite a bit though. Like ranges are, oh, what did it give you? 20 pips? Yeah.
40. From the flip, 20. Yeah. From where it hit, 40. From where I was looking to possibly sell just a little bit higher.
Oh, you were looking off the top wick. This is scary off the top wick. Look at this. This is final pineapple.
Yeah, I mean, I was looking at 50 pip stop loss or pineapple, and maybe I was like, all right, let me just stop.
This is a little wild right here.
Would have lost a lot, but it would have made a lot of money there too. At least the thought process was something that made sense, and it would have worked out if I hit a little bit higher. On to the next. On to the next.
Done for the day. Yeah, you can't be trading that shit on the fucking prop firm. You'd be half a second trader. What's the max lots you can open on a prop firm?
Depends on the leverage each prop firm provides.
You will never see triple digit lots on a prop firm.
I don't even think you can do 50. I think I did accidentally. I wanted to change it to, it was on 1, right? And I wanted to change it on 5. So I clicked it and I pressed backspace and then I put 5 and I didn't realize it was 15 and it worked. I was like, what the hell? And I just saw thousands. I was like, what's happening?
He passed the challenge.
Yeah.
Phase 2 and made money all in one trade. He one trade,
Yeah.
fucking withdrawals.
It was not on micros, so I panicked for a second. I was like, oh shit, and then I realized that the one was still there. So that's why you have to click the plus and minus button instead, or click the other thing. I was just like, oh man. But it was a winner position, thank God. Got lucky.
I might try 15 on micro.
Oh, that should work. 15 on micro is 1.5. If you have 150K, that'll definitely go through. You should go through to 150, most likely on micros if you have 150K. Because the 15 worked on GC. Obviously, it depends on how much balance you have and how much profit you have as well. So you might lower it or something like that if you're close to your stop loss or whatever it is. But it should work. I don't think it'll let you put 150 on micros. It'll just say, yo, just do 50 not normal. But yeah.
Yeah, it almost tapped your spot.
Yeah, but
it's tickling it.
the position is different for me now because it flipped. So I might be looking for something different.
Because
I don't know if I'm looking for buys, but I would not look for sells right now. I have to wait. 930's.
Yeah, I'd rather look for sells. What if the 30 gives
Yeah,
us what
but
the 15 gave us, right? Let's say this 30 closes right now, right here, with no top wick.
We're talking about the original trade we talked about originally.
Yeah, it's
Same
gonna be the
spot.
same thing.
Yeah,
No bottom wick on the 5.
Well, let's see.
yeah.
Let's see how we close here. There's less than 2 minutes here for the 30. Man, if this closes right at this level, and then next candle gives us a top wick, I'm gonna put a sell stop on.
I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm looking at it as long as it
Rather
pushes up
take
right away.
sells here.
How high would you look at selling at?
I would take it on the flip, but I'd need a top wick first. So
Where's the
there's-
top wick? 40 pips, 30 pips?
honestly, I think whatever it gives,
67?
if it's a small top wick, I'll probably use this candle. The previous 30 right here as a stop. It's like roughly a 40 pip stop. Yeah, this is how we
I
want
think
to
we're
close,
seeing
like
the
it is
same
right now. We close like that.
Yep. Be nice.
Reg is already in sales. Let's hope it pushes up at 9:30.
Nah, following that logic, Reggie would be in buys for waiting for the top wick because that's what we know we need.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of drawdown, probably 50 pips until that happens.
Let's see. There's 30
Let me
seconds.
concentrate. Yep.
Yeah, give us no top wick. Give us no top wick right now. Fucking dare you. 10. Oh, you know it wants to. Alright, we get a top wick here. It's a really small one. It's got to break that high and I'll set it. There we go. There we go. Stop so. Oh, wait. Wrong size. Go back. It's that yawn. It's that yawn. Hold on. Sorry, signal channel. This is good that we're re-breaking highs. Creating a steeper top. Whatever top wick this creates, that's going to be the stop. Whew. A little sneezing spell. A little sneezing spell never hurt nobody. The reason I'm looking at this area for risk management is because these wicks definitely break lows and re-break highs. But it's going to be current candle. So whatever it is, it would suck if we break that high just to come down. We'll see. All right.
We are activated, chat, by the way. We are in cells.
Yeah, we just got activated here. I think I'm going to keep it here.
Damn, that rejected hard.
Yeah, it tapped and rejected. I think it still should come down. It's just how high is this top wick going to be? I think I'm going to keep that stop there. Well, that's the money printer. It's the bearish flip that just tapped us in. That's tough. NYC open, there's volume here. But a rebreak of the lows here should technically now go. We just need to rebreak the lows. I don't know if we will. Damn, yesterday it just came down. We just didn't wait long enough. Now we wait long enough, and it's broken. Oh, I don't have a stop set here. Hold on. Yeah, I got the same stop here on the signals as well. So we're looking for this to flip. We barely got wicked in. Barely. Pip lower. Already made it a pip lower. Nothing we can do here. Now it's either this stop or flip and drive. Figure this gives you a bottom wick, right? Previous candle closed at resistance with no top wick. Current candle has barely a minimum bottom wick, but it's NYC open, so we could push up without a reason. But if we break lows, we should be Gucci. Pip stop. Oh, now you stop sneezing, Wix. Bougie, we're in your position. We're in the money printer. I need you to talk to your people. Can you tell your people to talk to their people? Then why ain't it printed? You tell me. This is your money printer.
It's not pushing up quickly.
It ain't pushing down
which
either.
is a good thing. No, but it's a good thing. It's trying to push up, and I don't see it pumping, and I like that. So I'm thinking might push up maybe another 15 pips, and then might come back
Don't
down.
jinx it, Jay. No, it's
So-
got nothing to do with Jay. This is just
Bro.
price action. It's gotta either come back in range or it's gonna continue on its merry way up because of the volume. But that closure. I will say this though, if once we re-break the lows, I'll move stops to current candle. There's some volume. I saw spread jump to like 3. Push down, bish. Well, look at it this way. It's only 40 pips. I think I can still take 2 L's today. 2 more. Well, I'd have room for 2 more on this account. Oh, this 5 made the bottom wick. Let's just see what happens. Where's the joint? $30 look great. Let me know if this fucking hit stops. Smoke this J. Oh, I'm smoking this J. Let me know what happens, Jay.
Sure.
What are we doing, Jay?
Nothing. It's up and down 10 pips here and there. Nothing. It's just still hidden. Hasn't rebroken the high that it created. So it's still creating lower highs. But it might
Time
come
for a
down
stretch,
now if
chat.
it rebreaks
Get
the
up,
lows.
stretch, start swinging at things.
Hey, look at that. We're down. We're in drawdown 10 pips instead of 28. So
Well, that's nothing.
Let's
but I'm heading
see.
back.
yeah, 8 pips in drawdown.
I don't know. I feel like that shit about to slam down to 52.
Bro, I was looking at possibly taking a pineapple at 66, but I was afraid because my lot is high and I don't want to.
Yeah, this shit coming down for sure, I think.
Let's see, bro. If it retests, there you go. So
It's
if
coming
it
down,
retests,
yeah. 52 is going to be the little bounce
I'm
back.
moving
'cause that was
stops
a
to
heavy
current
buy
candle
spot.
high. So if it rebreaks this high, then so be careful here.
52 area did that little swing high, broke high, swing low, broke low, swing back up, broke highs again. So it's like a little
It just got to
fake
pull a
little
bunch
order
of
buy.
people in. Yeah.
I know.
There's
Bias.
a whole bunch of people that had sell stops on the rebreak of that low. Can't close there either.
man, I wish I would have taken that pineapple. I didn't take it.
Wow. Hey. Oh, what's the stop now? Yeah, it's less than 30 pips.
By the way, you didn't do it on your live. I don't know if you want to leave it
yeah.
there.
Let's go into the current candle. Thank you for telling me.
Yeah, no worries.
I mean, it might break highs and come back down. But
Then we can still take a position after that. Because then we can take it
I will
as
take
higher
another
and
one.
then
I
let
just
it
don't
run.
want to break this high. I think we break this high. Like, we've made a high, right? Made a resistance, came down, grabbed the wick. I think if it starts breaking highs. Yeah, it's making that bottom wick. Oh, wow. Look at that. The 15. Look how the 15 closed. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck was that? Wait, did that closure just look different? It just looked here a second ago. Wow. Yeah, this 15 might flip bullish. This is wild. I seen it closed over here. I swear I saw the candle close over there. That's maybe why it froze. Damn, we don't have a top wick here. This could take us out and come right back down, but if it comes right back down, I'll take another position. Keep it a pip above here. Oh, there it goes. That took us out. Watch it come back down. It rebroke highs. Wow. Ha. If this 30 flips, I'm going to take it again. I'm going to have it on the flip. Probably a 5. 15. No, I think this sells me. Right there. If this re-breaks highs, then I'll delete this. Yeah, if this 30 reflips. Bougie, I need you to talk to the money printer people. That didn't print money. Four-hour gonna close in 10 minutes. I know. So if this doesn't activate in the next 5, or in the next 2 to 3 minutes, or it rebreaks highs, like we said, it just rebroke highs. So delete. Maybe we get it off the hourly. The money printer. It did work on the 15 down here. It didn't work on the 30. But maybe we get it on the hourly. No top wick. Closure here, 33.67. Couldn't you take buys? No, this is according to plan. This made a top wick. This closed no top wick here at resistance. And then you had a heavy snap down. So, I mean, it did what you're looking for there. How much did we see? Wasn't a lot. 6 pips.
Yeah, 6 or 7 pips or something. Oh, it's pushing now.
Watch this wick here. Imagine our original stop survives. Our original stop was here.
Yeah, it was 67.4.
I just tapped this wick here.
It was 4 pips away.
Interesting.
The pineapple would have gotten us out in profit a few times. You want to update the session trades while you're at it?
Yes and no.
Alright. All the info's there.
Monday was my only red day last week too. Well, Sunday to Monday. The Monday daily candle. I just wanted to break this high. Just so I can know that the stops would not have been good and that we saved ourselves 15 pips. Come on. Looking for no top wick on the 1 hour. Motherfucker. Never rebroke. This bitch. Yeah, original stops would have survived. In 4 minutes here. See what we look like in 4 minutes. We close below here. We'll be good to go. Yeah, pineapple was, I think, this right here. This wick. Not bad. Alright, we either close below, we look for sells, or it closes above, and then bottom wick and the break of highs, we can look for positions. But it's a bearish 4 hour. Look how heavily bearish it is. So I would rather find a resistance to trade down than trade against the 4 hour candle here. Three minutes. 3 minutes.
Yeah, we'd still be alive right now. We'd be in drawdown of 6 pips. We'd never hit the original stop loss. It sure retested
Yeah,
it
the original
twice. And
stops never hit.
Yeah,
They were solid.
67.0.
They were solid. All good.
Yep. Yep.
I never got out.
Oh, well then you're a B or in profit right now.
Yeah, like 5 pips. I'm actually trying to get back. I lost like 4K last night on 2 funded, 2 each, and I got it all back right now. So I'm like making profit for the day now, trying to make profit for the day. So I'm break even. Yeah. It's coming down to 52. It's gonna stop loss hunt, and then it's gonna go back up because it is a key level.
The 4 hours closing in 90 seconds.
And like he said, 4 hour is bearish. Like very important.
True, that helps you a lot for sure.
So, scheduled my physical therapy for tomorrow, which means tomorrow is going to be a shorter session. Still level here. There.
30 seconds.
It'll be previous candle high. Wait, 6? How many pips is that? 4.
The cells are still, you're still looking at the cells, even though
Yeah,
it
I'm
was
looking at
bullish.
cells.
Yeah. Okay.
There we go.
No, we're activated.
Yeah. Made a top wick. We closed back in range. So we are activated. It's going to be previous candle high. This is going to be partials.
Don't forget to do it on your live too.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to it. Wow. Wait, did I have it off? Yeah, I think we should have had partials here. These works, it's alright. I'm gonna let it rock, let it play out. Once we hit partials, though, I'll move stops to break even.
I think it's gonna jolt down on some fast shit.
Oh, there we go, stops
there
to
she
break
goes.
even.
Cashing out. I'm out.
Oh,
Let me get
stops
that.
to
Let me
BE
get
here. We close partials, and just it's either we hit full TP or
52. Let's go, baby.
am I too soon here with the stops to break even? What do you guys think? I mean,
Hell
partials
no.
are secured.
Nah, you're in there. You're smart. You're doing it perfect. You taught me that. Why are you saying the opposite?
Well, I'm just trying to
She
figure
gonna
out because
come down though. She's gonna come down maybe to like 30,
last few
51.
times
Yeah, she's coming
they
down.
pulled back up on us.
She's coming down, little son. She just always real manipulative.
It's the beginning.
She
I think
does
it's
this when
the 4-hour
Mhm.
top wick is just so small, right? Like
Yeah,
that's the
but the
only thing.
body ain't. That body ain't.
That body ain't. She got that body.
She got that body, yada yada. No, but at the same time, when I see confusion, 15-minute green going up. When you was confused, I looked at the 2-hour, the 3-hour, the 4-hour. Each time frame was saying one bullish, one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, one bullish, one bearish, and then you can play both scenarios out. So that's how I know this thing is about to start manipulating, acting weird.
All right, we got some room to come down here.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see what the
But that is a level like that 47, 45 area. That is a level to bounce back up from. And there's a lot of, liquidity
fuck
there.
it. I'm not even gonna touch it.
Taken down.
Let it rock.
No, yeah, I'm out. Ain't none of my business.
This shit's either gonna hit full TP or it's gonna hit BE. We're up about 20 pips right now.
And last night, Asian, she took out all highs and swear that she didn't want to come down. and I knew she wanted to come down all the way to 3 in the morning. Then she came down a little bit.
Money printer technically did print if you kept the OG stops. I know. Don't remind me. Well, took that trade a double lot size on the live. Now give us a fucking runner, yo. I got a full 4 lot still running.
I don't be doing the runner thing. If it goes above the blue line, I'm taking whatever. Like right there, I'm taking it. Boom, I'm cashing out. That's me. Because the runner with the futures is like weird. I don't know how to manipulate it. I don't.
Let's just see what happens. Let's just see what happens. Man, there's room to come up here. This is a top wick for the 30. For the hourly. Stops to be.
It's exciting. Hey, yo. Son of a bitch.
Oh well.
That's dog it.
I don't know how that counted 10. I think because of how quick the drop, but that closed me out at 18 pips.
Yeah.
So partials on there were 18 pips. Yeah. Can't seem to get these runners going, but a W.
I think they're on to the runners.
Let's see if the 4-hour makes the top wick and starts coming back down. There's a lot more room to go here. Right, because you can hold this resistance here. Can still hold. Wow, what a rejection. It's a banger, right? Will I take any more positions? Yeah, if it sets up. I'm here till 11. Like, we're trading through the session. It's not about how many positions. It's really, right? It's just through the session. As long as there's volume and it sets up, I'll take it.
No.
Maybe it buys up. Maybe, but we'd need closures back up above the range. See how it keeps respecting this resistance, and it's a bearish 4-hour? If we start closing bullish and maybe start breaking these highs, or even the current 15 highs, honestly, we just need to be above the range here. So we've closed back down. I think with a bearish 4-hour, we're likelier to head down, but now, right, we've made this bottom wick. We've had that attempt. Now we need a top wick on this 4-hour. Or we'd like one, right? If it starts closing above here, you can say, all right, it's holding support, and it's making a top wick for the 4-hour, but you need to get up there. Because you did, like, if you look at the 5, right, you faked out off the 5. The level on the 5 is lower here. It's that blue line, actually. Off the 5. Right here. Right, so you're still in this 5-minute range. From here to here. You're not in this range right now. This isn't the range that you're in. And you see you're above there. So you can definitely see play within here. If you start getting higher time frame closures, probably above here, right there. That's the level we seem to keep respecting. If you're really like zoning on price. Right, and this is clean range right here. 25 pips, anything above there. These losses are getting to me. I've been taking the same trades as you. I'm far from profitable. Well, the second trade was double the lots than the loss. So, I should have done better for you. Right? You should be at around break even for the day.
Well, you made 10 pips on the last trade. So
Actually made 18.
You're only down
But
7 pips.
the signal called it a 10. I don't know why. But I made 18 pips worth of profit.
Oh, if you made 18, then you're up 1 pip today.
Yeah, but that's what I'm trying to say. That last trade was double the lots. Even though it was an 80% closure.
Yeah. No, I'm just looking at the pips wise. The amount's different, and people can see you're down 378 on the prop firm. So I'll just go by the pips anyways. So hold on, 18 is what you got, but it showed 10 only, or is it actually 18? And
Yeah, that's what I said. I think it just might have spiked down too quick, or spiked down, spiked up. So when the signal's registered, it was 10, but the amount of profit is 18 pips worth.
You're seeing 18 pips. All right, cool. So we'll adjust that.
Came back up, flipped bullish, and now it's coming back down.
Yeah, I'm looking for sells if I see a little bit of it. I don't know, top wick or something here on the 15. I'm gonna take
Yeah,
more
no, it
sells
held,
before
but
go
I
low.
think the sells was our sells. Now this is like where runner should be, but you really can't hold it till to here, right? It flips bullish. It has a chance to come up here. It's just doing its funkiness. Right? You don't expect this, and then just expect it. You don't expect this to happen on the 5. You expect here to now continue. This account too, this account's been stuck at like 155, 156, 154. It's at like 154.8 right now. Minus 300, 154.5 right now. I got this account up to 156, and it's been kind of an up and down week last week. You're looking for sells here, Jay?
No, not yet. Still waiting for my top wick, but I think it almost hit it. And if it re-breaks, I'm gonna get into a sell right now.
If it re-breaks the low.
Yeah, if it re-breaks the low, I'm gonna get
It's
into
a 1 hour support here. There it goes. There it goes. Scary times. Scary times. Oh, chat. Congratulations. Some people dip. You guys have a chance to win a 50K account today. I'll give away a 50K account today and actually the rest of the week. Every day the rest of the week. We'll give away a 50K account. Not a 25K. Not a 25K. A 50K. Go comment on the last Instagram reel. Go do it now. Go drop a comment on my last Instagram reel. We'll take
I'm in sales
while
right
Jay
now.
takes a W here. Jay had the re-break. I think he had right here. That's 15 right there.
I got in early, so I'm up about 30 pips.
Savage. El Savage. Oh, you got in on the initial flip, set through some drawdown.
Now you know I'm in there.
Yeah, just close partials and move to be my stop loss.
Oh, you
Let's see if I can
guys.
trail it now.
Oh. You guys are so vocal after. Why can't you say it before the hand? We're all getting in here. We've made a community
said it.
decision.
Oh, here it goes.
Just
We
hit
took a
TP.
vote on this, Wix.
Now, what we say about Instagram again now? I had
You're not
TP
allowed
now.
to win another account. Nothing, nothing. You need to do nothing. Yeah, go
Yeah,
comment on the last IG reel.
Oh, here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, there you go. There you go. I think. Let me see. That's the resistance. And I got another 20 pips for my full TP. And all right, fuck it. I closed it. I had a line there. I don't remember why I had a line there, but it's a
My
double line,
man.
so I was like, screw it. Yeah, I was like 10 pips away from the other double line. I was like, wait, but this is the lows anyways that created earlier. I was like, all right, I closed
It's gonna
it.
drop
Bro.
another 40 right now.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do
it,
that.
it is. It's got to honestly, like right here, 33.52, 41 pips.
It is.
33.52 is where it's gonna tap. Watch.
I caught 30
With momentum like this,
pips.
it's gonna break this little area to get a bottom wick. So
Mhm.
I just don't have a stop here. Can't get in here.
Dig up in there with it. I agree, Wix.
But
I
typically,
mean, yeah, no, I'm good with that. I was telling everybody what I was looking at, and hopefully,
bro, another 41 pips here. Really? You don't want to collect another 41 pips? It's gonna be a quick drop too in a split second. You'll see it.
don't
You
do it. Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. Reject now.
4,
Reject now.
3, 2, 1.
Got him.
Motherfucker.
Got him. Let's go. I was in that one too.
It's gonna drop 40 pips. It's gonna.
Hell no.
Hold on. 33.52 we had marked off here.
Oh my god, that just dropped 20 pips from where I closed.
Yes,
man.
sir.
It's gonna drop another.
Another
Bro, that was
20.
my original TP.
It's gonna drop
That was my
another
original
20 right
TP.
here.
How
Watch.
you
Right there.
gonna doubt what Wix is saying? Like,
That was my original TP. Ah,
exactly.
Hold on, that's
shit.
not done yet. 33.52. 33.52.
Yeah, but
33.52 and then come back up in range.
don't because
Be
then
green,
you
don't be
then you went
mean.
to BE way too early in your original position.
33.52.
This is
33.52.
exciting. This is exciting.
Oh hell no, bro! It really dropped those goddamn 40 pips, man. No,
No,
hell
it dropped
Yeah, that
30.
was
It didn't
crazy.
get the 40. It didn't get the 40. It will.
31.
It will. It will. It'll give you the
30.
40. Hold on. It's not done yet. It's gonna do it.
God
Not
damn.
Jay hop back in.
No, I did not. I did not. I did not. Because I didn't want to.
It's gotta fill this
No,
range.
I didn't want. Yeah, there's the rejection.
Give me
Man, I
52.
waited for our strong.
52.5. Give me the 40 pips.
No.
You closed way too
No.
early, bro.
God damn, man. Bro, there's a lot of volume today, man. Shit. Yeah, Terp, you caught it. Good for you, Terp. Jay's gonna be pissed. Yeah, no, I mean, I'm not pissed. I'm just a little sad, a little disappointed that I didn't hold it because I saw it
minute
reach
like
pitch
candle.
just a little bit.
This 1 minute's gonna flip right now. Watch.
Well, that's where it hit and it rejected. Damn, so that's what it was. All right, let me set up a zone here for my
I said
next trade.
52.5. It hit 53 too. Yeah, 7 pips. So it gave you 33 pips instead of 40.
Yep. 3-2, yeah. Like I said, I got to love with that 52. But I was already knocked out. Like I said, I was in earlier. So I hit my TP. But yeah.
What do you mean? Fam just wrote he took a pineapple. What, were you in buys, bro?
The time wick.
I mean, we should have held our position, Wix, originally,
Yeah, it never hit never hit original stops.
bro. 4 pips away, and it just dumped from there.
I mean, shit happens. It happens all the time. It happens pretty often to me. I just I don't get pissed off about it much. Hold on, Benny's about to eat somebody.
Nah, Benny.
What are you doing, bro? Why does every morning start like this? Get inside.
Man.
No, come on. No. No. Where you going, bro? He's running away from me. Come back, bro. Yo. Come here. I'm not going to hurt you, bro. He knows I'm going to bring him inside. Come on. Come on. Why are you so smart right now, but you act dumb all day? He ran to the other side of the yard, and he's looking at me just to see which way I start walking so he can walk the other way. Come on. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Let's go say hi to the stream. Let's go say hi to everybody. You're not allowed to eat the lawnmower. Come on. Let's go. Let's go say hi to the people. Come here. Come here. Come here. Who's a good boy? Hold on, Chad. This fucking monster's right here. Come here. Come here. Say hi. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Who's a good boy? No, don't eat me. Don't eat anything. Look. Oh, you get a noogie. You get a noogie. Oh, shit. Yo. It's a vape, bro. No. Oh. Yo, chill. Why can't you be normal? Be normal. Just you gonna be normal? He hears that weed whacker outside. What's up? How can I help you? How can I help you? Go bite the shit out of my finger right now. Sneezing. Funny dog. I'm gonna install that second camera outside. Got one right here. I gotta connect this shit.
Chat, take advantage and drop a like while you're at it.
Let's set this up.
What are we seeing here? We got what, 62 likes, bro. 62 likes. Let's get to 100. So you guys can take advantage of getting a 50K account. So
Yeah, we're gonna wait till there's 100 likes on stream in order to do the giveaway.
Yeah.
If there's no 100 likes, we're not doing the giveaway.
And there's gonna be one per day this week, guys. One every single day. 50K every day giveaway.
Yo, maybe I should install this camera here. You guys don't see this, but this shit follows me around. It's pretty dope. Like, how can I show this to you? Watch this shit. I move. You see, this shit's just moving with me.
Yeah, that's efficient.
I'm about to just install this little camera instead of the one I have. It's pretty dope, huh?
Do it for Zoom.
If I can have this set up as a second camera right here, this one. Oh, can you guys see it?
Yeah.
Look, it can see you.
I mean, you see what you're holding, but
Oh, that's the screen, you guys. All right, here. See that?
use it for Zoom.
This thing's pretty cool. It's got a gimbal. That's fine. I should. I'm gonna connect it. I just gotta probably disconnect the other one.
Oh, that's a massive look handle on the 15. or what do you call it, shooting star? No.
I don't call this a lick candle though. I don't consider this a lick candle because
No.
this would have needed to been bullish. A candle always closes in the opposite direction of the wick.
Yeah.
Why can't I close this? Oh, there we go.
Is it called in trading, that candle?
Is that one of those DJI ones? Yeah, this is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Yeah, it's called
This is shit I carry around in the car because it's like really easy. Like for me to film this, like all I got to do is flip the screen, look, boom, and it's on. And I just press a button and this thing is following.
do it for Zoom, do it.
Damn. I wonder if Kerbin replied to me with his. I sent him the position we took earlier today. No, he hasn't. I wonder if Kerbin took another position here. On this low, right? If he took one at this area? Because it's still a bullish
Bro, this
day.
is a bottom wick. Could you be looking at buys now?
No, but like, I'm not that comfortable with how he trades. But
Oh.
yeah, I think the buys would have already happened here, right? I think the way he would have traded it was probably a buy right here at this area with a stop right here when it was coming down initially that first time, right? And he probably would have been activated on this green wick right there for that entire pull up, right? That's kind of the trade. That was our first trade. That was our first idea, but off this area here, right? So he
I
probably
just took a buy, and I caught 10 pips.
I'm just discussing shit, bro. I'm not saying take positions. But
No, I waited for the drop, and it dropped 40 pips, 50 pips, and then I took the buy, and I just closed 10 pips.
I think you closed too soon, my
Because
brother.
I was risking 20 pips, right? Isn't this the Corwin position?
Yeah, but I wouldn't close this. Well, now I would, but if I took it here on that first one, yeah, we would have rode this all the way up. I don't think I would take it here now. Like, I just don't know. I don't have any kind of sample size on this. Like, that first trade was based strictly off what he explained on, and what I've been looking at for the last year, and it clicked when he explained it, right?
Yeah, close too soon again, Turpy. Yeah. I don't know. I just thought it rejected there. Took it, caught 10. I didn't close partials. I just closed the
I
whole
think
thing.
he would
I
have
was
been
just
in
like,
here, over there. But now
I was
don't
waiting
know.
for it. I was talking
don't
about
know.
the 15 previously. And
Kerbin is having this Gucci. What does that mean?
came back down. I figured I'd just get. I don't know. I really don't know anymore. And the retracement is so high. It was 70 pips. So I'm wondering. I'm hoping.
Well,
it pushes
I'll tell you
back
this
up,
much.
but I
If
wasn't
this
sure.
pulls up from here, it's,
Yeah, I'm gonna be
a really good RR. For all you RR traders.
Yeah.
Why does he have something on his nose? It's rice. Benny, you got white on your nose. I love you too, baby.
Oh, you see? Look, I'm very happy I closed. It just pushed back down and broke. It's not. Didn't hit the stop loss that I would have had.
That you'd be looking, like I said, was the initial drive down for the initial just kind of bounce off that area and keeping a very small stop.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I had like 30 pip stop or something like that, or close to where it dropped previously at the 53 level, and then
I'm almost done, baby.
yeah, I mean, I don't know. I saw it going back up. I didn't like it. I closed it all, and it's just coming down. So hopefully it goes another 20 pips down, and I'll be happy I took my 10 pips. So you see, sometimes Yeah, sometimes you don't get the bonuses, but sometimes you get the ones that you do, and then you don't get a stop loss that takes away all your profit.
I mean, this would have been solid, right, on that first
Oh,
one.
there
Also,
you go.
like a
Would have
30
hit.
pip stop. Like, this is
Would have
very
hit my stop
interesting.
loss. Yeah.
Right here.
Ah,
This-
look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
No, not your position, but that first drive. This
I'm
green
happy.
bounce.
I'm happy. Yeah, I did. Yeah. Oh, I actually got more than Tempest. Nice. I'm looking at the amount.
I was in that one too.
Ah, nice, nice. I mean, the max you could have gotten was 16 pips, I think, if you had caught it right on the bottom. But you caught sells, or you took the buy there?
It was a
Hey,
sell.
hey, don't hit him.
Nice, nice, nice.
Why did you hit
took
him?
the continuation on the
Don't do
rebreak?
I took the sell 52.
Apologies.
Started rejecting when I seen that big drop, that candle that printed at 10:30.
See, now he's upset.
It
On
came
spot?
down. No, on I'm looking at XAU USD like on Trade
Yeah,
Locker.
that's XAU
Yeah.
USD is spot.
So
Yeah,
that
I see.
10:30 candle, when it printed after it rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, that 10:30 candle
he can
that printed
know
down,
that you're
boom, a
in
little
it.
nice little block. That's like a that one took care of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles to the left. So that
Yeah.
was
Hey,
information for me to just take it
What are you
down to
doing?
the bottom because it rejected 52. Take
Yeah,
it
it
down
was
to
almost
right
no
there
top
to
wick.
30 to 45 only. Nothing
Yeah, there's
major.
almost no top wick on the 15.
Mhm.
So you took it right away on the next candle without
away.
looking for a top wick and just dumped it. Yeah, and
No, I don't
yeah,
need it. That little
that's
one
nice.
candle gave it to me
Yeah.
right there. The 10:30 dropped
Yeah.
like 10. Hold on, is it 10:30?
It's like a
10:29, 10:30, 10:31. So
Yeah, it's not like
10:39,
it's a doji,
10:29, 10:30, and then that 10:31 kind of did like a nice little drop. I've been seeing that drop for 5 years.
Nice.
So you
I
got
mean,
damn, I
to
missed this for 5 years. I'm gonna take it today. Today's the day.
Yep. Let me
So
get
you
that
caught
joint.
70 pip. Did you just close or?
No, I caught that whole joint.
Yeah,
I already
did
closed.
you
Yeah, I'm
close,
done.
or-
You're not
I
giving us
closed
some
right there.
credit,
Where it's at
Jay.
right
pips
now.
on
I
that?
closed. Where it's
Oh,
at,
you
I
caught 70
closed.
pips on that. Good for you.
Earlier,
Yeah, because
yeah.
he took sales while I took buys.
I do
saw
everything
I caught
mental. I don't
70,
use
took
stop
one.
loss and I don't use take profit or anything. I just do it off top. I know like
Okay,
what's
okay.
happening and I'm aware. Then if like I'll just nip it in the bud and cut the loss. But I
Good
also
shit,
have
man.
a stomach for like drawdown as well.
Oh yeah, you need to in this game. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Yo, do we only have 81 likes? Yo,
Yeah,
19 more
that
likes,
math
people.
ain't
19
mathing.
more likes.
Yeah, I got
Come on.
a whole
the
jar of
likes,
smoke
y'all.
here for you guys to light. Oh, what's up?
Could I go in your
Can you go in the pool? Yeah, go ahead, go in the pool.
Oh man.
Tell
it's
Kaya
re-breaking.
she can go in the pool too.
I see this coming down to 35 in all honesty.
Yeah, this is
Yo,
the
And then
40
bouncing
pips
back
right
up.
here, bro. I told you. 32.
Yeah.
52
After a
fine.
massive
Shit.
retracement of 80 pips.
No, real shit.
That's where it was
Okay,
headed.
okay.
Y'all serious. I'm taking y'all serious.
Yo,
'Cause that's what I'm
why did we
seeing.
stack?
That's
Why
what
don't we
I'm
stack the
reading.
cells from before, bro? Damn.
Right.
I thought you had the stomach for the drawdown, bro.
He said.
I didn't say that.
Nah,
He
I
said-
always take it. I always take it. What I do is if I go in like 2 contracts or 3 contracts on a little impulsive move with those little trades that we be taking / the ones I be taking in between, I get my profit and I take it, but then I hop right back in with 1 contract, way less risk.
Nice. All right, there
So
we
I
go.
go in big, but then
we
I'll
got
rip
people
all
coming
that.
People heard about the giveaway. They're hopping in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just pushed like 20 viewers or something.
Push 20 viewers.
We need to see 20 likes, 20 more likes. We need to see at least 100 likes for the giveaway, people.
Don't go by yourself.
We're not there yet. Let's go. A little bit more to go. Drop a like, people. Drop a like. Drop a like.
What's up? Can I make her go in the pool? No. What do you want me to do? Throw her in the pool? No. I mean, gonna push down, and then we're waiting for an onion. Same thing, right? Really want to wait for this to happen here. Yeah.
It's dumping.
Where's
My God.
Idiot. He just hit his head. Your charger is right there on that computer chair. You see it? Well, go look. They're
35.
still looking. I'm still looking. I'm going to be here till 11:15. Get our full session in. Right?
Might be
11:30 is
fast.
London close. You see it? You got it? All right, cool. Benny was trying to eat it. He tries to eat everything. Hey! Why are you biting everyone? Yo! His ears don't hurt. He likes getting mushed. He loves that. Hey, Benny. Hey, yo. Hey.
Bro, if this comes down to 35, that'd be insane.
It is. That's the next level.
Okay,
The
I
next
didn't
main
know,
level where there's
Get outta
bounce
here.
backs.
I'm sitting at 37, but yeah. On
Get
spot.
outta here.
Nothing too crazy,
Oh,
but it's going to
shit,
probably
get off my
bounce
hair.
back up. It's probably going to be fast. Like once it start getting lower, it'll probably just do the same thing it did earlier, jolt and then come back
away
up
from
and then correct. And
Well,
get
there's no
above
top wick
52
on the
this
5.
time.
No top wick on the 5, no top wick on the 15. And the 15
Mhm.
closes in 90 seconds, so we'll see.
Hey.
Mhm.
All right, down, 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 down. You're about to go to your spot. Spot. All right, spot. Go, go, go. He said he said I won't do it again. He laid down. All right, 15 about to close here. What a drop. What a drop.
I knew that was gonna happen.
Go in the pool. All right, then don't go in the pool. Go play.
30 look gorgeous too. It's a dominant close.
30 all the way up there. Damn, Jay. You closed too soon.
That should look crazy at 30. She started fixing herself. Mhm.
Yeah, we'll do a giveaway in 15 minutes.
You're saying I closed too soon, or you closed too soon? Like 100 pips too soon?
We both closed too soon.
Yeah, but I closed right when I did.
I didn't even-
On the original position, even though it dropped 30 pips, it retraced almost 80 pips from there, and then I came back down where iron tracers took the sell, and now it's down 110 pips from there. But I'm good for the day, man. I'm chilling.
One more like, y'all. I'll be 100.
You have 100 likes?
I just did 99 on my other account. I just came in on my other job.
Motherfucker's really trying to get that giveaway done today. Creating burners, logging in from like 8 different burners.
Facts.
This is why YouTube be fucking with me. You
For
guys
the
be doing
people,
all
man.
this shit. YouTube's like, nah, dog. I'm telling you, like, half your burner's gonna be unsubbed by tomorrow.
Right.
When he does that, that means he doesn't want you to move. He wants you to stay there. He's just holding you so you don't leave. Yeah, we reached the goal of 100 likes.
Yes, we're at 106.
Congratulations,
do the-
everyone. Whoop-de-doo.
Giveaway. Yes. Now go to the Instagram. Comment on the last reel. Make sure that you've done that. And then you'll be in the giveaway. If you're not sure what the IG is, I'll put it in there right now.
They don't know what the fuck they're doing. Do you understand that?
I agree.
Yo,
Oh, man.
perfect. Always.
You see, I had a line at 41.39 on
How do you
spot
feel?
on XAUSD, and that's where it's rejected. Yeah, I mean, you said it was going down to 35. You might have to retrace a little bit for it to do that, but I had a line here, double line, 3341.39.
Yeah, double line?
Then, yeah, then I have another double line at 3337.75 on spot.
Is that like a
and at
double yellow here? Like that's a
33.501.
do not cross type of thing?
Yep, yeah. Well, it's the red on mine, but yeah, the yellow one is the lines that are the most important ones. The double ones, the single ones are just, kind of level where maybe I'll take partials or whatever if I'm in a position. But yep, I have it at 3341.39, 3337.75, 3335.01.
What's a perforated line do?
You can go across it when you're driving.
Switch your bias.
Man. Yeah, you go into something, then you just go full court opposite.
Hope these spammers don't win. And then you see 30 messages from Nate.
Mm-hmm.
Word, I hope these spammers don't win.
It's true, there are spammers in here.
It doesn't matter. It only picks one comment. It gives everybody one entry.
Yeah, they have multiple accounts then.
Chat, just comment on every reel this week because there's gonna be a 50K giveaway every day. Top look on a 30, but look at this hourly. Disclosure below here. How much room is there here? Come on. Wow, it's 35 pips there. Lick? That's not a command. He's just gonna bite your hand. See, he thinks you're messing with him, and you are messing with him. See what he's doing? He wants you to rub his belly. That's what he's doing. He's saying thank you. Oh yeah. See, he likes that. Yeah, he likes it. He's not biting, he's telling you don't stop. So you stop, so he's trying to tell you, hey, do it again. Be right back. It's a good idea. Sorry, Benny. Didn't mean to do that. Just rode over Benny's paw. Let's step outside. Got the kids in the office. I'm going outside because you're hanging out in the office. I can't smoke in there. Well, he's over here. Step outside. Play with him here. Want to rub his belly? Benny, lay down. I think he wants to fight with the pool. I gotta teach this dog how to get in the water. I literally threw all his toys in there and he just stares at them and barks. I threw all his bones, his toys, everything into the pool. So he has no choice but to go get them, but now he just doesn't play with anything. Just trying anything to get him in the pool. Hey, go in the pool. Go in the pool. Go in the pool. It's good for you. Yeah, he's afraid. Pussy.
Why should he go in the pool even though he didn't get a shower? He's all furry. And his hair comes off.
So, what does that mean?
Why does he not to go in the pool? I don't want him in the pool. His hair comes off in the water.
He sheds? So then it's all furry in the water?
Look like she want to come down to like 37, 38.
Let me head back.
We should teach him how to grab stuff.
5 minutes here for the hourly. If this leaves a decent enough wick, like up here it was around 30 pips, but right now it's a lot less. I wouldn't mind trading the wick fill. Using current candle stops, if we can get maybe a 50 pip stop here. 40 pip stop, 45. But I'd want a wick fill, not the break of the lows. Or we could see a break of the lows here, a drive up, right? Not a drive down, just a break of the lows. But smidge, get a lot of the sellers in, drive up, pull up above 52.7, and then re-break the lows. Then I will look for that.
Yep. That's the one.
Yeah, that would make sense. Or we pull up, we get a nice top wick, and then we trade the wick fill here.
Bien.
Wow, that get a seller replay on the break of the lows here too. I don't know. Yeah, it probably won't be a wick fill. A wick fill, I would want the price to be the initial drive here. We already had the drive, the pullback, and the wick fill technically. The range fill here. So it's kind of happened. But you're getting a bullish 15 and a break of that low is a seller replay. Do we need a top wick? Yeah, I think I'll want a top wick. So either if this current candle doesn't, if the next candle doesn't break this current right now, it'll be a previous 15. If it doesn't break that high, we'll use this stop. If it does break that high, we'll use that current candle stop. Give me a second. I'm gonna run to the bathroom. Be right back. Damn, I had to piss like a racehorse. That was taking a lot longer than this. I also want this to close bullish here, so we can kind of break a support. Otherwise, we're just continuing down. We don't want the break of the lows here with 2 minutes to go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes to go. Yeah, we would have been off here if that first trade, if we kept the original stops, we would have called the session a long time ago. Really? Come on. Pull up. You looking for guys? No.
It's definitely a no for me, dog.
Definitely. Hey, don't try to correct yourself now, bro. You said it. You said it. All right, 30 seconds here. Need a top wick, break of these lows. Man, but look at this wick fill. I'd just rather have the seller play down here. I think we can make a bottom wick without breaking that and come up, but top wick here, lock in. It's 20 pips. 26. Let's make a bottom wick first. Yeah, ideally we can come up and break that high after. Need this 1 hour to give us a top wick here. Come on. Alright. If we come up, make a top wick here, it's going to be the break of the current candle low, but it's going to be a previous candle, previous 15 stop. Maybe some more. There we go. Alright, we made a low, came up, rebroke the highs. If we re-break the lows after this 1 hour and 30-minute closure, I expect us to fill the wick. Bless you, Benny. There'll be current candle stops here too. Let's do the wick fill. Broke the high here. So these would be first entries. If we go back about half a year, this would be a top hook entry here. With a 140 pip stop. Alright, while we wait, let's do this giveaway. Zoom door, yes. Gotcha. Go comment on my last Instagram reel. Hey, do me a favor. I accidentally stepped on your white sunglasses. We don't wear those over here. It's chicken wings and French fries. How come I don't take what country thing? Because it's too much range here. Alright, let's run this giveaway. Let's do this. Yeah, this shit fucking had a seizure for a second. Let's run it. 146 entries here. 146. Let's run it. Yo, crossing the field. Congratulations. W. 50K account from Top 1 Futures. Just won here by crossing the field. That's a W. Wow, that's a actually dope profile pic. That's pretty dope. Let's do this. Are you in here? W. Where's the winner? Are you in here? It's crossing the field in here. Anyway, if you're in here, you gotta DM me from that account with your full name and your email, and yeah, we'll get you their account. Is it because I don't have a DP? You can delete this now. So the daily is bullish. And
sorry, you didn't delete it in the live.
Oh shit! Yeah, thank you. That would have been funny at 2 p.m. Does Wix know he's activated? No. Previous 4 hours still bearish. All right. And it's only been an hour of this one. I think we need a range 2 breakout for buys. So it probably needs to close above here. Right now you find a resistance. Probably could retest the lows. Never seen any African win this. What do you mean?
I think he's saying that you're racist against Africans. I'm African. I'm winning. Not the giveaways, but I'm winning.
Well, I'm African too.
Yeah, there you go. We're winning in pitch.
Dr. Holmes won.
Oh, and Dr. Holmes won. There you go. He
You know.
Kenny African American. I think he won.
Yes, sir.
Bougie African American too.
Ain't using that racist shit on our stream. Hell no.
All right.
Hell no. We racist against everyone.
We're not. We can't be right. We're off white. We off white.
The white Rasta man.
White Rasta man.
He said, "I done seen everything." I'll never forget that guy. He was yelling too. He was just like halfway on the phone, had like, I don't know, had a battery sticking out his side or something. He was definitely an NPC. I don't know how the fuck I ran into that guy. Yo, that's what I want today. I think. Damn, I'm not even gonna tell you. You guys gonna be over there camping out.
Not camping now.
Yo,
Behind the
I want
bushes.
some world famous egg rolls today. Trump's literally speaking right now. Trump's giving a press conference.
I think the market moved like crazy.
I love these tariffs. They will be very severe, but they're good for us. We make the best tariffs.
Well, August 1st should be an insane day. Insane day. And it's a Friday, bro.
Just it.
Oh, by the way, I wanted to mention, Eddie's not going to be streaming all week the Asian session on his YouTube channel or Twitch. Something came up. However, Turpy, one of the mods here, is looking to do a streaming session on the voice channels in Discord. It'll be free for everybody in the general chat. So come and sub to the Discord. It's free. And
Yo,
then you guys will...
So Sauce is so right. He said, well, not enough Africans win. Bring some more Africans to watch the stream. Said, bring more Africans.
Yeah, no worries, Eddie's.
Raise your chances. Yeah.
Join in the Discord and then the
Bring
session.
more Africans. Chat, invite your people. Get some, come to the stream.
For sure. The New York session here as well.
Or us off-whites will win. Yeah. We've been prevailing so far. We're doing pretty good.
Yeah, we're doing decent.
He said who won?
Oh.
Yeah. They didn't look African though. Whoever won. Matter of fact, they didn't look human. They looked more like a cartoon character.
Was it Crossing Fields or something? Crossing Fields.
Who was in the picture? I didn't see it. Who was it? Hatsune Miku? Who was in the picture? Or Sailor Moon? Who was it?
Some anime thing. Some AI thing.
Hey, you remember that Sailor Moon?
Sailor Moon was bad.
Sister used to be on that. Okay. Throwback.
Saturday, last Saturday, proud dad moment, and I caught it on video. Bianca flipped herself over alone for the first time from her stomach from her back to her stomach. So that was awesome. At 4 months and 3 days old. Yeah, it's pretty early. It's pretty good. Very happy.
Gonna be walking soon. Gonna be taking money out your
Yeah,
wallet really soon.
Yeah, I have no doubt.
Oh, you know who was bad just while we're on random shit? Remember Jessica Rabbit? She was bad.
Yeah.
Jessica Rabbit.
She was a hell of a fine character with titties. Yeah.
It's the red dress for me. It's the titties.
Yeah. Well,
Why
they had
can't
the hair back
men
in the
say
day.
titties normally? Why everybody gotta yell them? Titties!
You gotta
I knew that
emphasize.
Well, you know, she got them titties! I'm like, bro,
Tigo
you
bitties.
turn into Roger Rabbit when you say that.
Bro, I say that every time I see my girl naked. I go, titties! But I say it in Spanish. Tetas!
Yo.
Don't matter. I see it all the time, man. All the time. Bro, we're all the same, man. We are all the same. We are children.
Dude.
Oh, man.
You know, there's a girl walking out the shower like, get the fuck away from me. Get away, get away, get away. Fuck.
Oh, man.
Yo, we coming down for this flippity.
Ah.
Yeah, we deleted it. Huh? What's the stops?
60.
Yeah, I don't know. This 15 is going to flip bullish here. We're going to need to close your back below the range.
You're looking for more pepperonis?
Yeah. This is
Yeah,
the
what's
last
the
little bit of
profit for the
volume,
day?
right? Before London close or for London close, but I think this is it. This is incoming here on this 15. I don't know if it's going to close for us. Just don't want to break the slow and push up heavy. Maybe the overall low makes sense, but that's a 90 pip stop. Until this closes back below, it's a bit tough here. Maybe you get a bullish close, but below here in 5 minutes. Oh no, we got another 10 minutes for this 15. I don't trust this 15. I don't like it when they're setting up in different directions, when the 15 and the 30 or the hourly are setting up in different directions.
Yeah, no, they're choppy.
I'd like for this to come down and get a closure below here. I don't want it to come down and start flipping right now on this 15, because this 15 doesn't have a top wick. If the 15 closes below, that's a 30, respecting this area, and then we can say break of the lows is the celery play. The wick fill is the advantage point, and after that we're break even. Right, and that would be the hourly re-breaking its own low. It would be a 30 celery play in 9 minutes, and it would be the 15 faking out, coming down. So at that point, they would all start telling the same story. but there's 8 minutes of waiting on this to close. And by that time, the story could be told. That's what you risk, but that's what I will wait for. So, last 15, last 30 of our session. Let's see if we get a closure below, or does this flip bullish and continue on its way up? Long session today, but it was worth it. Congrats to our 50K winner, Kafish. We had the XRP conversation in 2021 on stream. We're at Big League. I think it was Bigly, not Big League. Bigly, B-I-G-L-Y. We're up Bigly on the crypto. We love the crypto guys. The cryptillions. They have the prettiest coins. And they will never send them to China. Oh man, come on. Do something for me. We might have positions here on the next 15. Five minutes here. If we can close bearish like this, I'll look for break of the lows in the next 15. So this is a little funky area here. Come on, 5. We want a celery play here on the 5 to come down. Give us a bit of a lower closure. Just in, President Trump threatens severe tariffs on Russia if no deal is made within 50 days. So for the next 50 days, Putin's gonna fucking unload. Gonna be drones flying all over fucking Ukraine. Plus 10,000 social credit. Can you redo the giveaway and choose me? Thanks.
How about no?
Yeah, he's talking about right now. You guys seen Trump at the game yesterday? It was all about him. He handed everybody their medals, made sure both coaches received it from him, right? The FIFA president gave him all the medals to give to the coaches, and then he congratulated the refs, took a step to the side, took a nice picture with everybody. Everybody hugged him. It was amazing. Then he took a little walk over to the left 20 feet. Boom, he was right in the middle giving away the medals again. Like, nothing happens without him being like the main event. UFC fight, he's the only motherfucker that's not a fighter that has a entrance music, that has an entry in general. He walks in and it's like he's the fighter. He was everywhere. I called it. I told you guys, Chelsea looking good this tournament. My pops was like, I had no idea. Every expert. I'm like, fuck the experts. I'm the expert. I called it. I've been saying Chelsea, they've been looking like the best team in the tournament.
Yeah, I thought PSG had it, man, but geez, in the first half,
They don't have an answer.
Wow.
Here's the thing. They're both good defensively. Like, and the thing is, Chelsea's back five, right? They're like a stone wall. They're not like massively talented. They're just a stone wall. They're faster. They're stronger. They're more accurate. But and PSG has a great back five. But that's where they match up, right? And they held a man the entire game because they know on paper, like talent-wise, like name to name, they can match up and hold their own. So I honestly, PSG just got out-coached yesterday. They just got out-coached by the whole man defense. And on offense, like, I really think that Neto and Enzo, right? Neto, he's just the most valuable player in the game because he's got so much talent that he just requires a lot of attention. So if he doesn't get through, it's like, and somebody else is open, there's a reason Palmer was open. Because Neto and what's his name? Enzo, they require a lot of covers. Like, they're just little batteries on the field that are constantly running. And it's just, they didn't have an answer for that. They either need to cover them, leave somebody open. Neto does all the dirty, exactly. Like, he's so talented, but it's not because he's the dirty work player. He's so talented, he can go around anybody. You can give him the rock, and he can dribble around anybody. He's that talented. Like, he can push 1-on-2, 1-on-3, and get a shot off. So he does a lot of stuff behind the scenes because he's covered a lot. Yeah. On the left side, they broke the defense all the time with the runs too. But Neto and Enzo, and you had, what's his name, Cucurella? It's what a name that is, Cucurella. That's a soccer name if I've ever heard one. All right, 15's closing here. Let's get a top wick. If we can get a top wick here, somewhere to these highs, we'll look for another position. 30 closed bullish, but below the range. The hourly isn't closed yet. That's above this area, huh? Smaller risk here. It's going to be a 3 lot. It's going to have to be a break of the previous candle low. I'm debating. I don't know if I'm going to take it here because we're above this area on the hourly. But this could be the beginning of a top wick for the hourly. Right, this is nice rejection. This is a good area to start coming down from. Yeah. We'll look for it. It's not a massive, not a lot of risk. It's a fairly small stop here. 35 pips roughly. 34, 41. We'll see. This wick here. Five close below. Yeah, this will be our last hurrah.
By the way, you only place the position on the platform. You're not doing it on the live. Just testing it out.
No, I'm gonna do it on the live.
Okay.
And once we start coming down, I'm paying attention to the 30 here. Trying to see if the 30 is going to be a better closure, but then the 30 is so much waiting. And the thing is, right, we close back above this level here. We can make a bottom wick here at this area and come right back up, start re-breaking highs. That's why it's a smaller, bit of a smaller stop. I don't know, maybe a flip here. No, you want a break of this support. Right, you formed the support here, you bounced. You want a break of that.
Did that break the highs?
Yeah,
Almost, right?
it's getting, it broke its own high, breaking the high here to the left. There we go, it broke.
There it is. Yep. Yeah, I'm gonna call it.
I'm gonna wait 6 minutes.
Yeah, I'll do that with you too.
Here's what I'll do. I'm gonna delete this. We're obviously closing above or pushing up above. If we can get this closure above here and then back below, then that's when I'll look for positions. So maybe the next candle can. Okay. Do this here. Let me do this. Then I'll look for this. I think that would be the better position. It's 5 minutes here, unless the shit just starts coming down here in the last 5 minutes. Hey Wix, I sent you a DM on Instagram from my account. Thanks so much for the giveaway. Oh, you're the winner. All right, road trip to Moon. Congrats, you're here. W, yep. I'll get it out to you tonight. Maybe you'll have it. If you're lucky, you might have it by tomorrow. Look at that, respected the 5 level. But another 5 left on this 15. Where was the sell stop here? Yeah, I can't do the flip. It's gotta be the break of the support, which is down here. There's 4 minutes left to go on this 15. To stop here. 28, 3 minutes. Wow, that makes so much sense. Two minutes. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. We long or short, I would rather look for sells, but I wanted a bearish closure or a break of the previous candle low here. Might get it. There's only 2 minutes left in here. I want to flip just to re-break highs. All right, let's do the giveaway. Wait, no, we did the giveaway. I'm about to give away another 50K. Nope. No. We did the giveaway. We're going to wait a minute here, and then we'll call it a session. I don't have sell stops here with a minute to go now. Let's do the giveaway. Run it back. No, we already got a winner. But I'll make a deal with you. You guys show up tomorrow, and as long as we get 100 likes, we'll do another 50K tomorrow. Let's do that. Oh, man. My shoulder. Oh, long morning. We already had 3 trades. Yeah, ain't shit happening. All right, gang, let's call it a session. If I see something, I'll call it in the Signal channel. Outside of that, I'll see you guys for Asian in the Signal channel. Zoom gang, thank you for showing up today and conversating, creating some conversation. All right, thank you for helping me avoid monologue Mondays. Congrats to our winner, Road Trip to the Moon. Congrats on your 50K account. By the way, go get your top 1 futures account. Make sure you get an instant funded account so you can use code WIX, right? Get a discount, and you could trade without sitting here passing challenges, all right? So make sure you show up with your futures accounts, instant funded accounts ready to go. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Mods, thank you for helping me run the stream. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. Hasta la pasta. See you guys tomorrow. As for me... Oh, yeah, go ahead. What's up?
I was just going to say thank you very much, and Bianca started crying.
Nice.
Great stream. Lots of knowledge. Thank you, everybody.
De nada.
Mañana.
Nada. Ooh. Yeah, there you go. With the Spanish. Yeah. Sí, hasta la pasta.
Learning, baby. Learning.
Boom shakalaka! Yeah. He's on fire!
That's a throwback. NBA Jam, Sega Genesis.
Yeah. I had that shit back in the 90s. I had that shit in 96, 95, yeah.
Oh, wow.
That's when I had my Sega Genesis. I used to buy Mortal Kombat for
Nintendo.
We right there.
Mortal Kombat was $60, so I went to Blockbuster and rented it for $8.
You remember the Mortal Kombat code, the blood code, ABACABB?
Damn, dog. No, I didn't remember that.
You activate the blood. I remember that shit. That's crazy.
That's great. You had to activate the blood?
Yeah, you activate the blood on 1. And on 2, the fatalities, 1 button is back, down, front, back, front. And you activate everything. The little code and shit we had, because I used to get the Sega with the little book, the little instructions. Remember the little thick-ass little comic book-looking shit that come tell you all the little cheats.
Talk about
good old 90s.
Cheater.
Damn.
Yo, Chad, don't play with this guy online, dog. Do not play with this guy online. What's up? Alright, carefully, there's no top wick here. This can flip bullish, but I'm gonna wait and see if this can close below here, below 33.54. But damn. Because it's not the same play now. It's not the same celery play as or the onion as it would have been over here. That closed bullish and closed bullish right at the top here. Maybe right at resistance. But I will wait. Yes, give me 1 second. I'm going to say bye to everybody. Okay. I will wait for this hourly to close to see how it closes. Right? Maybe you get the 30 below here. But it doesn't look like the hourly is heading for that flip right now. Anyway, if I were you, just call it because you're already, it's almost noon. Go enjoy your day. I'm probably going to call it here. I'm not going to look for any more trades. Go enjoy your day, and I'll see you guys in the Signal channel for Asian and tomorrow. Once again, chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. Got this little demon on my shoulder. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Go spend some time with your family. See you guys later. Later.